Hello, I'm Lily. Welcome to my channel, where we make a lot of easy art crafts for parents and for kids. Today, we are going to do a jumping frog. Let's do it! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to support me by subscribing. Bye. Adios. See you soon.